Hi there guys, Emmanuel here from empowermentteam.org, and you found this video because you're probably looking to RF3 World. You're probably looking for an RF3 World review, or you're looking to see if RF3 World is any sort of a scam or any sort of a pyramid scheme. Okay, so before I plug on into that, and I'm going to go through the whole RF3 World. First, full disclosure, I'm not a member of RF3 World, so I'm not doing this to sell you anything. It's just because I've just had experience in these types of things, and I look at these types of things on my channel. So, I can just give you the benefit of my experience so that you can decide whether or not you want to get involved in this or not. But just before we do plug ahead with the review, what I'd like you to do, if you're not already a member, if you're not already a subscriber, then I want you to subscribe to the channel. The button will be below somewhere. Once you do, click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so that you make sure that anytime I put a video out, you'll be notified so you don't miss out on any of the good gems that I'm always constantly giving out to help you, to try and help you with your marketing, try and help you to profit online. All right then, so that being said, we're gonna move forward with this RF3 review. So this is it. This is the site, RF3 World. Now, it was founded in 2013. They're based mainly in Malaysia, but when you go into it a little bit, you'll find that most of their traffic is coming from India. So, maybe some of the founders are there in India because that's where most of their traffic comes from. But this is all the other places they kind of trade out of. It's Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, the Philippines, Singapore, Cambodia, and Brunei. I also found one in Canada as well. I didn't find too many in Europe, so it's mainly like Eastern Asia and them sort of areas there. Right, so what's it all about? What do they promote? So it's creams. They're in the health and wellness industry, health and wellness sector, and it's mainly two creams that most people are selling and banding on this. It's one called Fermax Free and there's one called O2 Max Free. That's the two main ones I found out about anyway. Fermax Free says it's nanotechnology, whatever that means. The new innovation of nanotechnology, and Fermax 3 works wonders. It absorbs and acts immediately in a few seconds. Works perfectly as an anti-aging for a supple, brighter and radiant skin. So basically it's an anti-aging cream, yes? And it's got all these, all these claims here and all these stuff that they say is in it. It's glycine, mineral oil. There's loads of ingredients here. You can read that in your own time. Also now the other one is O2 Max 3. Now this one is a sort of a serum, is a breakthrough in technology of oxygen therapy for skincare. Again, an anti-aging cream is what they're mainly plugging it as. But then when you go and look, so I went to do a bit of research and found how other people selling it, always a picture of this person with perfect skin because this is what this cream's meant to do. And then we start looking at the benefits, and it's just got masses of benefits. It regulates and balances hormones, increases your metabolism, firms and raises your bust, reduces wrinkles, relieves stress and headaches, tightens the vagina, increases sex appetite. You can use it as a facial cream, as a body cream, as a contouring cream, as an anti-aging cream, a relaxant cream, blah 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 blah. All this stuff it supposedly can do. Then I found further on benefits for women. It makes your face and your skin look radiant. It eliminates aging and flex spots. It reduces facial wrinkles and increases your sex drive as well, helping women who are difficult to get pregnant. I mean, this is like, it just starts to get a bit unrealistic. For men, it increases your sexual appetite. It helps increase your energy and your concentration. For babies, it helps to relieve your pain. It seems like it's one of these one cream does all type thing. I found these pictures here. Look at this guy. He's got terrible case of like vitiligo or something like that. With this cream, suddenly his skin is smoothed completely out. Found down here, little child here has got eczema, really bad case of eczema. Puts this cream on, everything's perfect. The skin's almost perfect. You can't even notice it's there. How do we apply it? We apply it in the morning and the evening to usually post hand and your post neck. It's a bit unrealistic for me. I mean, it just seems really like it just one cream solves all. But anyway, most people are going to get in this, not so much for the cream, probably they're going to get in it to make money. So I went to look at the compensation plan for it, and there's 5 ways you can make money from this. the first way is basically just selling the boxes of cream themselves. If you sell it the first time sell, you make a 30% commission, make 30% profit. So you would sell it at $52.50. You'd sell it at $75 and they'd sell it to you for $52.50. So you'd make $22.50, and that's 30%. If you get a repeat sale, then again you sell it at $75, but they now sell it to you at $40. So now you're making $35, which is 46%. Yeah, that's quite a high percentage. If you're making a really high level cream, then you can't afford to give away 46% of the profits. But this is what they're giving you as a first commission. The other ways you can make money. So when you do join, you have to join in one of these packages yourself. Either the Emerald package, which will cost you $105, the Gold package, which costs you $315, or the Diamond package, which will cost you $715. If you join in the Emerald package, you get 2 boxes of the Firma Max or the O2 Max. Or if you join the Gold package, you get 6 boxes of the Firma Max or O2 Max. Diamond, you get 14 boxes. And depending on which level you join at, depends on how much commission you can make as a team bonus in the day. We'll talk more about team bonus because that's another way you can make commissions. But whichever level you're at, you can make more money basically in the higher levels. So once you've joined, you then want to, as well as selling the cream, you want to recruit others because that's where you're going to make your most money. So we call that the introducer bonus. If you recruit somebody else in as an Emerald, you get $10 commission. If you recruit somebody else in as a Gold, you'd get a $30 commission. If you recruit somebody else in as a Diamond, you'd get a $70 commission. So, it's in your interest to get people in as these higher levels as you can. Diamond really is because this is where you make the most money. So, but once you've recruited a person in, you can also make royalty bonuses. So whoever you recruit in, whoever they bring in, you make a bonus on that. So it's a referral. It's an indirect referral bonus. So if I bring in, say, the first tier of people, they're mine. Whoever they then bring in the second tier, I get commissions. If I'm in Emerald, I get 50 cents. If I'm in Gold, I get $1.50. If I'm in Diamond, I get $3.50. Down to 10 levels in Emerald, down to 15 levels, down to 20 levels. So your objective, as always with these things, is to try and build up this massive grid of people, bringing in people. So bringing in this massive grid, so then you'll make the most amount of money off your people and off their people. And here now is where you make another big chunk of money, is in the team bonus. So if you bring in 2 people, so one person on your left, one person on your right, and you start filling up the grid. I'll call it grid now. It's looking a bit like a pyramid to me. But you start filling up the grid is where you then make commission. So you bring one person in on your left, here, one person in on your right, and then you can start making team bonuses. Yeah, you make, and they break it out down to like a point system. If your people bring in an Emerald, they get 1 point for that. They bring in a Gold, they get 3 points. If bring in a Diamond, they get 7 points. Yeah, so your job is to get your people to bring in as many people as possible. So you build up this big team of people, right? And then whoever they bring in, you get points. So for every 1 point, you get $10. So say you bring in, you all bring in people. They add up the points at the end of the day. So say you brought in 1 Emerald, and the other person brought in 1 Gold, that would be 4 points, so you'd make $40 commission. You can make a maximum daily commission as an Emerald of up to $120. So whoever you bring in, they tally it up at the end of the day, and then they give you the commission that you make. If you make more than, say, 12 points, $120, then that's carried over to the next day, and carried over to the week and to the month. It's just, these sort of things for me, they're just very, very complicated. I mean, if you get that, that's fine. It took me time to sit down and really understand this, and it's just very complicated for me. But anyway, the daily, you can make, as an Emerald, for the daily amount of bonuses, as a team bonus, you can make $120, as a Gold, $300, and as a Diamond, $1,000 in a day. Yeah, and then it resets the next day. And then the final bonus you can make is the Unilever bonus. When you join this, every month you have to pay $80 for an extra set of 2 boxes. And you have to do that. That's not a choice here. If you don't pay it, then that $80 is taken out of your commission. And then when you do that $80, your sponsor, or you, if you sponsor somebody in, get $2.50 for somebody buying the boxes, and which they don't have a choice. If they don't buy the boxes, and they have any commissions, that's taken out of their commission. So there you have it, guys. I mean, if you understood that, then you know it's a bit. I mean, I understand it, but it's a very complicated way. I mean, these sort of things have been around for a while, where you bring in someone, somebody else bring in someone, you become a leader, and all this sort of stuff. Look, for me, I would stay well clear of this, because firstly, just on the cream alone, the cream itself has no medical backing. There's no medical things to say any of these claims that they make actually work. In fact, when you go to their home site, this gave me a Reg Flood straight away. I went to the home site, and straight you get some big notice at the middle. The very first thing that flashes at you, this big notice here telling you basically, we're putting our head in the sand. If whatever people say about this, we're not really involved in that. We don't condone it. So already that's really dodgy for me. Also, I found out that the Cambodian Ministry of Defense warned against buying this Thermomax 3 cream. Yeah, it warned people against buying it. So all of that sort of stuff, I just wouldn't promote this. I wouldn't want to promote this to someone when all these claims and none of them are substantiated. So it's up to you. As for me, it's a no. Also, look, the pricing is all over the place. There's no set price. You can't find any pricing on this site. So people are selling it at whatever they want. So they're saying to you, yeah, you can sell it for $40 or whatever, but other people are undercutting because there's no pricing. There's no set price that this cream is being sold at. So yeah, for me, definitely not. This is just something I would stay well away from. And also, if you want to learn how to market, if you can market anything online. You see, that's the beauty of learning how to market correctly and showing other people how to market correctly. For me, this sort of stuff is all flash in the pan type thing. And if you already have the skills to market, and you can build this big team, and you can build people that you can help people to bring in other people, and those people to bring in other people, then obviously you're going to make money from this. But then you'd make money from anything if you have those skills. So for me, no. So like I said, look, if it's for you, you can go and have a look at it. It's called RF3 World. If you want to learn what I actually do, what I fully endorse, because the reason I endorse it, one, it's free. It's 100% free. Two, it teaches you how to market correctly. Yeah, it teaches you how to market correctly, and it teaches you how to market correctly for free. Yeah, you also get access to top professionals who are out there marketing ethically and bringing traffic in, and also them sort of people are there to advise you. The motto of this company is we help you out in front. So they help you initially before they think about they're not even thinking about payment. Do you know what I mean? Like it's just, for me, it's really something that I endorse anyway. So if you want to have a look at it for yourself, I'll leave the links below. Have a look. It's completely for free. It's free to join. It's free to look at. Free training. And also you get 2 websites as well. Also all for free. So, it's worth having a look at just for the training alone. Because in that training alone, you will learn how to make commissions. Alright then guys, listen, I hope you got some value from this RF3 World review. If you did, then please take the time to like it. Give it a thumbs up. Also, to share it with anyone else who's looking into this RF3 World. If you do have any comments, anything you want to say about this video, then leave comments below, and I'll answer the comments personally myself. Alright then guys, so till next time then, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Take care, speak soon.